Well, good morning. Today we are going to look at my kayak hydration system, which is a simple do-it-yourself project. Okay, you can see here, this is my drinking hose. Okay, so it's just, there's a valve on it. Okay, the valve opens and then it's in the on position. Gravity keeps the water down while you're paddling. And you just suck on it to, or draw on it to get the water. Okay, and there's the valve closed. Okay, and this can be used hands-free while you're paddling. Okay, and there's no water bottle out that's rolling around or needs to be tucked into the cords. Everything's contained. So you can see I've got my spray skirt on. The water hose is coming up the inside of my spray skirt, and if you need to wet exit, this just pops off really easily, and it's not like you're trapped onto the boat. Okay, so that's the basics of the hydration system. This is a 10-liter water reservoir I'm using here, so you're not likely to run out even in a full day paddle. And then in addition to the 10-liter reservoir, which I've got in the boat with the drinking hose, I carry several 1-liter Nalgene bottles of water as spare in case this gets contaminated or damaged or something like that. Okay, and also the hose can be used to fill water bottles. Say if you have Gatorade powder or something you want to use, you just open the valve and then squeeze and you can fill your bottle like that. Okay, here's a bit of a closer look at that hydration system, the way I've got it mounted. So as you can see, there's the 10-liter Dromedary. The weight's down low in the bottom of the boat, so it should improve stability. The reservoir, you can see it's strapped down, so even if the boat goes up on its side or something like that, it shouldn't shift. It should stay down low like that. And then in addition to that, it's tied in to the back of the seat using a strap, so you don't lose your water if you wet exit and capsize and that sort of thing. And then there's the drinking hose coming up there, and there's the clippy for the drinking hose. Okay, and there's a close up of the valve assembly. Okay, so that's open, that's closed, and then you bite to get some water, and there's a bit of pressure there. Okay, and here's the water reservoir, the Dromedary, out of the boat. So you've got an idea. It's a pretty big bag of water. Like I said, 10 liters, 25 pounds. And there's the drinking hose attachment. So this didn't come with the Dromedary. It's an extra little piece of kit that turns just basically your camp water Dromedary into a drinking water system. All right, there's the whole thing. I guess that's about it. That's the system there. Just strap the water bag in down low behind the seat, run the hose, and you got a hydration system. Okay, thank you. That's a do-it-yourself kayak hydration system using a 10-liter MSR Dromedary with the drinking hose attachment kit.